Alright, 0, there we go. And there was just a breakout. That is very good. Let's just take that real quick. And cover order. So I'm gonna make them a little bit larger now. With the larger balance. Let's make it 3.5 there. 0.35. Alright, that's it. Oh, this is gonna go higher. Let's just sell a few more. Okay, let's get the party started.
Oh fuck!
Oops. Sorry, that was an old alert.
Why did you buy GBPJPY?
Why not? It worked well. Put a quick alert here. And another sell limit. Actually, I can put them a lot lower.
You think GBPYJPY will go back up because it is going down right now?
Yeah, but this depends on the Brexit stuff.
DAX. DAX.
And where is your TP if I may ask?
It was 305. Let me just check. Do I still have the trading platform open? Just a second. Yeah, it's still open. The first one was 437, 144.37, and the second one was a bit higher. Oh, I removed the trend lines already. Just a second. But I'm not sure this is gonna happen. There is so much politics going on right now. 590, and then as an absolute one, but this one had a reference on the other side too. Just a second. Yeah, it is. Something like that. 148.32, but let's just say this is gonna take until end of day, maybe tomorrow. 141 almost. But that only if there is a positive outcome on Brexit.
Dogs tries to fly.
Yeah, I just reopened my platform to answer a question, and what the fuck? Oh, I'm almost break even on the other account. I can't believe it.
We would be amazing together as one. Oh,
That was so dumb of me to buy this top.
turning back for the both of us. No point in
I was so sure this is gonna retest this trend line.
I
here.
took the trade the same time as you did, but my account is kind of small. Should I hold it?
fire between us.
I took this trade like really low. I took this trade around 139,755. And I just held it on the other account for much longer, and then I got stopped out when it crosses below here. Anyway, back to Darif. Fucking some synthetics here. Let's just close that one, this is too big. Oh, this is still showing. Oh, this must be a 15-minute chart. Why is the time frame selector always in the second line? There we go. That doesn't look very good. Let's hope this is not breaking out. Oh, the DAX already gave up. It didn't even made a new high.
And I was nearly to buy it. No, I'll stay away.
Well, but it seems like the support is holding. You see the chart I posted before?
Yeah,
DAX,
Looks like it's holding.
in principle the R1 become the support. This is what I see.
That would be nice.
Yeah, but like you said, it's too more politics currently.
Yeah, I'm not gonna move the stop. Yeah, they stop me out or not or whatever. Who cares? This is kind of a high risk account anyway.
There's no ceiling when you are near me. Worth the waiting, baby, believe me.
Civico looks like our waiting has come to an end.
There's no limit when you are near.
Or the US gonna fuck it up bad.
Sending all I got. So tell me you feeling all my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love. So tell me you got it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna trade the synthetics until the DAX stop me out. Come on, get down there, V75. That's a really pretty target.
We got distance, but the same moonlight. You're here with me, always on my mind. A thought of you is a good thought.
Wow, this is really far under 1 minute shot.
See the same sunrise, sending you my love.
Maybe I make another support line here.
So tell me you feeling on my love.
Yeah, that's better.
Sending you my love. So tell me you.
Small chunks.
Oof, GBPJPY is going bearish.
Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling on my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love.
Is it? No, not yet. Still at the support. Yeah, the support seems to hold. But yeah, it looks kinda bad.
I'm thinking GJ is also going to go bearish for a bit.
So UK Minister Gove here says we don't have time for the UK Parliament to scrutinise the deal, that we will leave on WTO terms.
Break even. Holy shit, there's a red, there's a green. Ah, it's red again.
ECB Snable here saying that the tiering system from the ECB is working as intended. And Gove here saying that the EU fisheries contingency plan is the most difficult to agree with.
Now the DAX is moving, of course. Damn it.
Wow, I'm green. Took just 9 hours.
Yeah. But SMP again at support as well. Resistance, sorry. I'm hungry, I need to eat something.
You do a high risk on dedicated account too? I think we spoke about something like that a while ago.
Yes, I do. So, for example, on Dow Jones, usually not usually, but most of the times I'm doing on a, I wouldn't call it high risk, I call it medium risk. And also on DAX. But depends.
Yeah, this trade is on that account for me. Usually I make only one trade a week or something like that, but this one hit it really hard. Like, if the DAX will go to...
ECB Snable saying the debate about cancelling national debt is harmful and should be stopped.
To 625, I'm gonna have a $3,000 loss. But if that would happen, I would not trade the account for another week or so. That's kind of my way of not getting into the hole.
So on the high risk account, for example, on DAX, or actually on any type of indices, when I do high risk, it's for me high risk never below 800% margin. That's it. On a normal risk, I keep it at 3,000, 4,000% margin.
Yeah, same here, absolutely. I have 1,200 on this one, just with the DAX trade.
So last week I was doing some high risk on DAX and I was like 7 grand on profit. That's it. And in the few trades, actually it was like 3 or 4 setups, but during like 2 or 3 days.
Oh yeah, then I do exactly the same. When I trade it, I hit it hard, and when it goes down, then who cares? I just prevent the over trading by doing like 1 or 2 trades a week. If I if I see a perfect setup on 15 minutes, I'm gonna hit it really hard on that account. And if it fails, then whatever, move on.
In case if one of my setups fails on the high risk account, I put it away. And I will never do revenge trading. So I go back to the main account and I do normal trading.
Yeah, exactly. That's the idea. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. Just do something else, like trading the main account.
Right. And sometimes I do mirror my high risk account to another high risk account, but like half of the size, and something like that.
Okay, I copy my main account on the high risk account. This is just noise in contrast to the trades I actually make on this account. So if I don't trade it a week,
Yeah.
there is still some noise. There's still some volume.
Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah.
But again, it depends. Yeah? So depends in the morning, to be honest, for me. So how do I even feel? And it's not even on the setup way. Yeah? So it's, for example, if I feel edgy or whatever, or if I didn't sleep well, I will not touch
Aussie
a
yen.
high risk account.
Oh yeah,
I
same.
see, like-
Just if you're very confident and this, oh come on, this is like too easy to do. Then okay, let's just
Fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me.
hit it hard.
Feel this way. I hope
And usually, I mean, right now I'm watching the account. I'm logged on the web interface on my Mac.
looking so sweet.
But this is usually a bad idea. Normally I just open the platform, enter the position and just close it and then just do whatever. One of two things gonna happen. I'm gonna push message on my phone that the stop loss or the take profit is hit. That's it.
To be honest, I'm watching it. And one of the reasons why sometimes I exit way too early, but I'm watching it. I cannot not watch it.
Yeah, I'm not confident in this trade and now I'm $500, $600 profit and I then tend to 690. You see, like I'm watching the P&L and this is already very bad. Because it's not even half the way at the target and I'm already prepared to take profit.
Yeah, I understand. So I don't watch the PNL. I watch the percentage, but I know in my head how much is it. Yeah,
Yeah, sure. You know the balance and well, it's basic math and
Yeah,
we do that all day. So
right. And my problem is that because I'm watching it, actually, it's like you are already further away. Because I'm watching it, I will stop usually before the, let's say, take profit or visual take profit. Because hey, I made like $1,000, for example. Oh shit, let's get out. And it will go even further. Yeah. So if I would have waited like 2 minutes, yeah, it will be $2,000. Yeah? Something like that.
Aussie yen.
So yeah. But
yeah,
that's
like right now, this is a really good example because I just counted while we were talking to almost $700, and then it pulled back and it was 490 because it's so large. The position is so large. It's not that large. It's just 46 lots, but 46 contracts. But you see, it's going down, and it's just $200 down, which is 30% of the profit it was like 2 minutes ago. And if you start doing that kind of math, then yeah, things usually go bad.
I used during election free high risk accounts, and I made it good.
Oh yeah, on the
Yeah.
UK election, I made like 200k. I bought pound Aussie and I hedged it like 7 times in a row. I had like a 15% drawdown just on the hedges. Because I kept adding to the position. Hedged it on the way down. It kept going down. And I kept adding to the positions. Hedged it out. Took the loss. Hedged it out again. Took the loss. So I was like 15% down. And then I made a 300 grand profit on that account. That was really impressive. That was like almost 50%.
Cool.
But this was
On
a
the
very,
drawdown,
very
I think
expensive trade. And the best thing was,
I think I had.
that was so terrible.
Yeah,
And
go
then
on,
at
sorry.
that time I said, I'm never gonna do stuff like that. Because, you know, the election was running, everything was smooth, and the minute they announced, rollover happened. My platform disconnected, and there was rollover, so I was still in the hedge.
Yeah.
And then it gapped up like 350 pips.
Damn.
With me still in the sell positions.
But I also blown so many high risk accounts, so I don't even know
Aussie,
the
yeah.
number of them. But overall, using high risk accounts, and I'm using this for about 3-ish years. Overall, when I draw the line, I'm still on profit. I'm good on profit. And for example, in January, definitely I will use high risk accounts because the market will start moving in January, in the second week of January.
Yeah, I was just about to say second week, yeah, not on the 1st of January.
Second week. So it will start moving, and then usually in January I start like for 1 or 2 weeks using high risk, or I don't call them high risk, I call them medium risk accounts. So mid to high risk accounts, and then I stop and then just trade normally. If I blow one of the accounts, then I stop. It's that simple.
I don't do that. I have a limit because that's what I do with accounts that have not my money on it. I have actually a agreed drawdown limit, and I'm trading my own accounts the same way. So the closer I get to my limit, smaller I'm gonna trade.
What's your limit?
On my high risk account, it's 25%.
On my high risk account, it is 40%. So that's my limit actually. So I can go up to the 40 without any problem. But hence that's why I'm talking about 800%, or yeah, to be honest, it goes even lower. Yeah, so 800 even to 500% margin. So I can. But then it comes in the play the hedging, rehedging, and all this shit. And usually when it goes towards 500%, it must go directly into my direction. If not, account is blown.
Yeah, that's always a problem. Yeah, you just need to have the discipline
If you
to
take a look at GBP JPY,
just to.
do you think if it creates that support it will go back up?
Well, it's at the support. I don't even need to look at it. I can see it from the 15-minute chart. It didn't make a new low. But if it breaks below, I will consider it failed.
Yeah, let's do on the starting from second week. Let's do together high risk.
All right, I'm in.
Okay.
President Trump here
But I will
tweeting as well
focus more
that
on
stimulus talks are looking good and saying all-time stock market
We can
high.
find correlations. Sorry, I said that we can focus more on indices, but we can find correlations.
Yeah, this first January trading type will probably work better on indices. I mean, sure, there's some volatility. There's gonna be some volatility on currencies too. But most of the exchange rate stuff is true already, so it's yeah. Sure, the order placement and all this kind of stuff in the early weeks.
This month is really different.
Made a mark in my calendar, second week of December we start. From 11th. But even if we fuck it up, yeah, so the point is that just move on, because we should not consider that we fuck it up in the beginning of the year, yeah, so it's just pure high risk account, high risk trading, that's it.
Yeah, like I said, what I do if I get too close to the limits, then I just start trading smaller.
Last year, actually in January last year, I missed to do high risk trading because I was every year I'm in Zanzibar, but last year I was so freaking drunk and whatnot that even up to the mid of January, so forget about trading.
That sounds interesting.
Well. Was partying a lot last year, but 2 years ago, no, not that much. 2 years ago, it was like normal chilling session, but last year we were hitting hard the parties. So. Okay, be right back. I go to eat something.
Alright. I'm just gonna do a little bit synthetics trading until I get stopped out on the DEX.
Okay, enjoy.
Oh, by the way, I'm moving the stop 2 euros up.
Seeing the US mortgage rates drop to a record low 2.67% for the 30-year loan. So that's the US 30-year fixed mortgage rate at 2.67% in December the 17th week versus 2.71% the prior week, says Freddie Mac.
Sharky, you still in that gold, or did you take profit at 1890?
Yeah, I took profit at 1890. I'm just looking for shorts now.
Yeah, same.
1895 looks like a good number. I've already entered.
Sorry, say that again.
1895 looks like a good number. That's why I'm saying I avoid it.
Yeah. Yeah. Wonder what a break below 8.
But I won't take no loss. I've just put my B on. So I'm waiting for it to push lower. If not, I'll just take profit even if it's less.
Yeah, okay.
Because there is no sellers today. So.
No, it doesn't seem to me. Yeah, 1890 was a good buy again, actually, for scalps.
ECB Snable here says the PEPP duration is to depend on the pandemic and the economic outlook.
In your eyes, I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes, I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to.
Seeing here the EU and the UK committee agreed to adopt the withdrawal agreement from January the 1st.
Take a look at GBP/JPY.
Well, now it's broken out. Now it's below. Guess we're done buying here. Well, this could still work out on a larger time frame, but that's just a money management question at this point.
Is it
But
smart to close?
I would consider that a breakout. Pretty much, yeah.
So just doing a quick sound test here, seeing cable trading 135.88. Just a reminder from Jake Sherman here that a quick update that McConnell will be on the floor in the latter part of this hour.
Oh, Tesla is up. Nice.
Oh, no way. Tesla's not back again.
Gonna need to start C-Trader real quick. I should make the 400 now. It's about time. Come on. Oh yeah, it's almost hit my alert. Ah, not yet. Damn it. I still need 647-ish. Did I remove the take profits? Yeah, all gone. Didn't fill my limit order though.
Is your BGPJPY still running?
No. It broke the trend line, so that's... We're done buying.
I'm back.
Oh, the range is almost there.
You made my day. You made my day. You made my day.
Ah, shit, I missed the exit.
You made my day. You made my day. Princess of mine, what have I done to deserve your royalty?
There we go. Come on, a few ticks down.
Nancy Pelosi here saying progress made this morning on stimulus talks. Just to repeat that, that's the House Speaker Nancy Pelosi saying that progress has been made this morning on stimulus talks.
Okay, I had a sandwich. It's only 4 o'clock. Shall I start with one glass of wine? By the way, I added a long on a sandwich. Yeah.
The text hasn't moved at all. This is so painful.
Yeah. I added a long on SMP, so let's see if it will play out, but I'm very, very low risk. Just... Who said really? Was that Druid? No, he's not online.
You're losing it already, Seb.
Hey, Alex.
Yeah, where have you been?
Well, it's near.
And the myth, the legend.
Alex, where have you been? Right.
I was here. Well, I was here before you went to sleep with Druid. Remember?
Yeah, but you disappeared for hours, or you were actually always here just.
No, I mean I woke up like 2 hours ago. I mean, because I made that money on the. What's it called? On Pound Aussie, because I traded the news on my personal. I think you were here, right? The unemployment news.
Oh yes, yeah. Sorry, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
But
On
nothing,
the Pound
nothing
Aussie
happened.
drop.
Cable.
I was like,
What did you trade?
like a
Nothing
40
really
big
happened.
yeah, on Pound. I posted the chart, and I shorted a tad bit of Bitcoin. Let me see if I can find it.
Okay.
Sorry, Alex, I'm kind of in a weekend mode already. But no.
Got a whole day left before the weekend.
Well, actually kind of holiday mode.
How's it going, Alex? Zibaku.
Hello, I'm Oracle.
And I'm also here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Hit my SLFFS.
Why do you keep holding that GDP JPY to the breakout?
I just shorted that.
I'm long on S&P. But it might fail.
That's funny. I shorted the Nasdaq like a few minutes ago.
Yeah, but kind of rejected by VWAP. On S&P, I'm from VWAP.
I'm going for a few points. That's it.
GJ just hit me hard, to be honest.
Yeah, tempted to do something with GJ, but damn, it's volatile today. Whipping around the place, and I'm trying to scalp.
We've seen the Atlanta Fed GDP Now index rises to 11.13 from 11.02%.
A nice clean trade on dollar CAD earlier.
So that's the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta's GDP Now index suggesting US gross domestic product will expand by 11.13% in Q4 versus 11.02% in its previous release on December the 16th. That projection there from the Atlanta Fed compares with a 4.5% consensus forecast from economists.
Oh shit, my cat is complaining.
That's what I will say. my cat sits here on my desk in front of my keyboard and immediately turned to the speaker.
I don't know what he wants.
she never meows. Well, she does meow, but she doesn't breathe, so you cannot hear it.
Ah, my cat wants to play.
But the Bengal, he's a real talker. Especially in the night if nobody plays with him.
Take the profit here on this minor structure.
YouTube is down again? Damn it, I cannot edit my videos.
YouTube works for me.
Yeah, but not the backends. Creator pages don't work. Oops, something went wrong. Oh, now it works. Welcome to YouTube Studio. What the fuck? I uploaded like 2000 videos already. I know how it works.
Yeah, my cat is now running around like crazy. Okay.
Damn, this range is really tiny. $202 points. That's so tiny.
mind, his spot just crashed. Also S&P back at way up. Scaled in a little bit.
Dollar CAD.
Oh, can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. I closed at the minor support on Nasdaq.
I think it will go more long, Alex. So at least I see it more long. Let's see. But I'm targeting just a few points, so nothing special.
On SM, I mean, I closed the Nasdaq short already.
You closed it, yeah. So rejected from R1, which is kind of now the previous. So it's now the support level. I see it there, support area.
Yeah, I took another buy. See how it goes.
Now it's at my price, average price ish. So it definitely tries. So there is momentum. Okay, so first glass of wine for today.
I just needed to break that little resistance and it's over.
Yeah.
Dollar CAD.
Wow, it broke out with me still in the trade.
An ECB Snable there saying that the ECB remains undeterred in its commitment to inflation aim.
Nice one.
Come on, S&P. Move.
CAD.
I do now break even on the synthetics. Swing. Alex, look at your Nasdaq.
CAD short because of the natural gas news. Oh well, 4 more minutes.
Yeah, I want to take the profit here at this little resistance, but I think it's gonna keep going.
Yeah, I'm still holding it. 0.1. A little bit more. Come on.
Nah, I'll take it at 0.12.
0.8 now. Come on, a little bit more. Push. Fuck it.
I'm at 0.8 too. That's so funny.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, that means you sized in tight too then.
Yeah, so it's now quite tight. So this was sizing in, so I have 5 open positions, but it was like really a round view up. Yeah? So everything was a round view up for me. But wait, I'm trading S&P now, not Nasdaq. But they move together, so.
Well, I'm taking the profit here on Nasdaq.
Yeah, I'm waiting. 0.14.
I closed at 1.14. So I got 0.3. On short and on the long.
I had 0.12, but I had a slippage. Damn it. But it's okay, 0.12. I had a little bit of slippage, so it's okay.
You saw my exit on that short that I took, the one you warned me against.
CAD.
No, not yet. 1 second. Oh shit, that was a really good exit. Well done.
Yeah, it was that little support right there.
Nice, man.
1 second, I have a call.
I think this keeps going up for a bit.
ECB Snable here is saying that the prospects of a faster recovery are bolstering the euro. So that's ECB Snable saying prospects of a faster recovery in the eurozone are bolstering the euro. And seeing the New York Fed purchases 1.734 billion in treasury coupons.
Oh, time to take profit on the V75. What was that? Oh, Dex! Nice.
Monsters are dangerous, and just now kings are dying like flies.
I am the king!
Fuck the king. Knowledge is power.
Joffrey, Cersei, Walder Frey, Meryn Trant, Tywin Lannister.
Is synthetics the best thing you ever found?
So Trump tweets in there that he will veto the defense bill, which will make China very unhappy.
Your Grace.
Grandfather, tell me about the Targaryen dinner and her dragons.
The skull of the last of them was right here. It was the size of an apple.
The biggest was the size of a carriage.
When you play the Game of Thrones, you win or you die.
Dracarys.
Afraid of a dead horse?
The Red Woman, Eric Dondarrion,
Dollar Cat.
the Russ of Minutes, feeling pain, the mountain,
Would you shut up?
the hounds.
And now their watch is ended.
Euro Yen. Euro yen. Dollar CAD.
Hello backslash.
Dollar CAD. Cable.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch
Dollar
us.
CAD.
We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game. And we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
Dollar CAD.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we please.
What's the setup on volatility index?
Never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite.
Euro yen.
Nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules,
Cable.
let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know.
We fight till we fall on the way. We don't care if we lose it all. We build our castle of sand till the waves come and wipe it off. Paddling in oceans of tears, but the love is still in the air. Going fast while heading nowhere, but we believe we'll make it there. Now we're here, ready to race to the moon. Now we're here, ready to race to the moon. We fight till we fall on the way. We don't care if we lose it all. We build our
Seeing here comments from Senator Foon saying that the GOP wants shutting door on Fed facilities in the relief bill.
oceans of tears, but the love is still in the air. Going fast while heading nowhere, but we believe we'll make it there. Now we're here, ready to race to the moon. Now we're here, ready to race to the moon.
Pound yen.
In Italy here reporting an increase in cases, 18,236 new cases today. That's up from 17,572 the day before.
Buongiorno, how you doing?
Pound yen. Euro yen.
Also seeing here the US December Kansas City Fed Index. The Kansas City Fed manufacturing for December 12 on a prior 20, with the composite index at 14 on a prior 11.
Yeah, someone's on the synthetics. I can hear it.
EU diplomats here saying that the EU 27 member states envoys to Brussels to get a Brexit update at 8:30 GMT on Friday. So that's Reuters citing EU diplomats at the 27 EU member states and their envoys to Brussels to get a Brexit update at 8:30 GMT on Friday. Seeing here McConnell telling reporters that he hopes the stimulus deal is done today. McConnell also said that Congress may need another short-term spending bill to avoid government shutdown Friday night.
Euro yen. McConnell here now speaking on the Senate floor. Euro yen.
Then people are bothering me.
I get that all the time.
Yeah, well.
So McConnell saying the bipartisan virus relief deal is close at hand.
What is it? Are they asking you if you trade Forex by any chance? Messaging you direct?
No, it was from work, from the daily job, because I'm management position and officially I'm on holiday. However, they still need decisions.
I need to pay you before you make decisions.
No, I still have some meetings, but like very small board meetings actually, which is online. Even now, like in 22 minutes, I have my last meeting for today, but it's only half an hour, and that's it.
I got the impression you're a high level kind of corporate man, so yeah, I imagine those decisions are kind of a big deal. Then you got to think about.
Well, not really high level, yes. So, but above mid level, yes, that's true. But because my corporation is like big, huge, so high level would be something else. So, but I would say middle management. So I'm kind of middle management.
Yeah, but the implications of you saying something and not thinking about it can be, world-ending.
Yes, indeed, because I'm responsible for operations, for example, and projects basically, and overall programs, and it's cross-country and even cross-services. Damn it. So cross-country and cross-services, and operationally, so the teams are stretched from starting from Asia back up to Russia, but you go other way around of the world. So yeah, in total about 100-ish countries. But let's say the group leaders are divided by regions. So globally, I have one responsibility. Then locally means only Germany. I have a different responsibility. So I have actually two roles in my company, but I'm paid only once, unfortunately.
That's where that's how you got to where you are, really, is doing that extra work, dedicating your life to the company.
Yeah, but I do it in parallel with trading because I'm home office working for like 10 years plus. So trading was the logical way of starting like 9 years ago, I would say, 10 more or less.
Well, if you need someone to shine your shoes, I'm here.
I have an assistant.
Just make everyone aware that McConnell did say it is highly likely that the Senate works into the weekend.
It's always the Polish.
No, because we have offshore locations, it's called offshore locations, and Poland, India, for example, these are offshore locations. And management assistants, because I'm not executive management, I'm like normal management, then we are not allowed to use personal assistants, but we are allowed to use, let's say, soft PAs, which are, but they don't have to be physically in the same location as I am, for example. And I also don't want to, so.
Yeah, I'm pretending I understood all that. Sounds like you now got to have a gay PA, is that right?
What? Gay PA? Wait, I didn't get it.
So you're not allowed to have a woman as a PA anymore. Now you've got to have somebody who's gay. Is that the way it works?
No. Actually, my assistant is a woman. But I never met her face, by the way. So. But she's not doing. She's just taking some mini notes, meeting minute notes, and taking care of my calendar and all this shit. So, yeah. Which I can also by myself. I can set up a meeting which takes 4 clicks. So I don't really need a PA, to be honest.
Okay, back to these decisions you've got to make. Is there any way you can just delegate it or pass it to someone else?
Yes and no. Depends on the level. So usually I do operational decisions and budgetary decisions. Operational decisions, for example, means I do not decide who gets hired or not. Yeah, this is not me. But I do decide, for example, if a service can be moved from one country to another based on a business case. So, for example, if we move SAP services from Spain to, for example, to India, so somebody has to create a business case and has to explain to me. And based on that, and of course there are so many other factors, in the end, yes, I do recommend towards the board the decision. I do decide as well, but then I go to the board basically and I recommend a decision which will be kind of issue voted, because these decisions are on a board level. So this is kind of one thing. But other decisions, for example, moving, I don't know, a data center from location A to location B in the same country, This I don't really decide. These are usually the program managers who are deciding, which are kind of below me.
Well, all sounds very high level and serious. Do you have a mind map?
Yes, I do use, but it's Mind Manager. So the software, it's called the Mind Manager. And yes,
Yeah, I've got it.
Very popular. So in our company, it's actually for management and executive management. Everybody says that, or not says, but it's fully highly recommended that Mind Manager to be used. So we do have the Enterprise Edition. And I do use it.
Yeah, my kind of people. Yeah, ever since I read Tony Buzan's book when I was a school kid, I've been mind mapping. And okay, I've only got Mind Manager 6. And I mostly use FreeMind these days, but yeah, you're probably 10 versions ahead.
Yeah, it's only because we do have the enterprise licensing, and that's why. So from the company itself. But I use it also in private life, by the way. I don't use it only for business.
Yeah, me too. Any subject, it's the perfect way for me.
So overall control. Yeah. So you start from control in a private life. So control, that's the high level, and then you drill it down. So this is what I would recommend.
So I was just thinking about the complexity of the things you're talking about, relocating data centers to other countries, and I just wondered if you mind mapped, and kind of a shock that you do.
Well, the methodology which I apply and which I enforce in my team, it's an agile methodology. It's called agile, which is based also on Prince 2. I'm not sure if you know these kind of methodologies.
Yeah, I've worked in IT corporate environments where it's Prince 2 or ITIL methodology.
But ITIL it's used mainly for operations, ITIL version 2, but the Prince 2 it's used for project management and program management, but now we are moving towards, actually we moved already, or I kind of enforce it, the agile methodology, because the Prince 2 it's very linear, and I don't like that. So I like more, I would say, an agile, because in IT, everything it is agile because it's changing very fast. So a linear project management or linear way of doing stuff, this is, let's say, 90s way of doing, not anymore in our time. So currently, agile methodology, this is what I enforce to my team leaders and group leaders and project management teams. And agile, it's kind of different methodology, but basically it's, so I would say that it's more efficient. But the company has to be ready to use that, because there are so many repercussions, starting from bureaucracy up to how operations are acting. It's a culture change usually.
Excuse me a second, I'll be back in 1 minute.
What methodology you said was Sam?
Agile.
Agile was the one you like, right?
Yes, that's the one.
No, the one you said was too lenient.
The too linear, the Prince 2 and IPMA. IPMA, which is basically the standard project management, program management methodology. It's called IPMA. But Prince 2 and IPMA are kind of the same. So Prince 2 it's basically the US-ish version. IPMA it's the European-ish version. But they are more or less the same, which is the linear. So that's with milestones, with tasks, activities, subtasks, and so on, with specific milestones, risk management, blah, blah, blah. But that's very linear. So in a big corporation, a linear way doesn't work anymore. You have to be much more dynamic. And another corporate methodology, which gives you dynamicity, so I would say it's agile. And this is the new way of doing stuff. So, for example, I'm actually involved in corporate strategic stuff. So I'm changing the corporate from pillar. It's like structured as a pillars to a star corporation. So star corporation or star company is different than a pillar-based company. pillar-based company, usually it's like the pyramid. So it's a pyramid-based, pillar-based, and it's the same. But a star company, it has a different way of handling things, starting from operations up to sales, up to everything. And that's agile methodology. So implementation is agile methodology.
I mean, I had heard of Agile before, yeah, and my manager, but not of the print stuff.
Yeah, so it depends. Usually, so the startups are already applying agile methodology. Most of the startups and mid-sized corporations or companies. The big corporations, because it's I don't know, the culture is very hard to change, or it's like really long time takes to change. So starting, so applying, because agile methodology is something new on the market, and moving from Prince or to from IPMA or Prince to agile takes time. So takes years. So now depends which company you have worked, or like mid-size company or big size. So for example, in Microsoft, they don't even use yet agile. They use still the Prince 2 methodology. But they have a different way of structuring the company. They are service-based. We are industry-based, so that's the difference. So for example, a star company has cross-service levels. So you have the overall pillars, but not in every, but then you have the pillars cross, basically. So this becomes basically a star company. So you can use other services for your own pillar, because it's a cross level. No, corporate. I can talk for hours because of this on this, but if you have any specific questions, I'm happy to help.
Yeah. I heard some mention of that stuff, but I've never really been that type.
I still like it. I still love it.
How long you been working there?
Oh fuck. 18 years. 18 years. I started like.
What did you start as?
Well, I started kind of technical coordinator, which can be translated in a technical team leader, kind of like that, and then moved up on the ladder, and I finished my MBA, and then propelled me to the executive management.
That's nice.
So when you came in, you were already a big shot.
No, but my entire career it's in the same company. Within the same company, I did my MBA. Actually, my company paid for my MBA.
Oh, that's good. Simon. That's
Siemens. How do you want to pronounce it?
And then you started trading 7 years in?
Yeah, so about this, because first 5 years I had to go physically to the office. Then I started to travel because I was already a kind of group leader, and I started to travel across countries and so on. And at that point it started actually the idea that, it started that I can work from home office. So I was in a more management position, and they said that so my management actually, they said that you don't really have to go to the office unless you want. So it's up to you, you can stay at home. So then I stayed and worked at home, because we can work for more than 20 years online already. So we had the tools, and simply I decided that I will stay at home. Waste of time to just travel to the office and back only to do the same shit. And then it was the basically I would say that 9 years ago, 10 years-ish ago, I realized that during my meetings I can do something else. So I can do multitasking, and then the trading stuff started. Because to be very honest, not in every meeting I'm paying 100% attention. Fuck no. I have so many boring meetings per day. So basically, like, I would say that 1/3 of the day for me it's kind of wasted, but I have to be there because in corporate, usually in a meeting when you go and you are in a big meeting, for example with 30 people, it has to be also a management figure there, because then people will just so they imagine that imagine like in Amazon, so those people who are moving boxes from left to right, if there is not somebody to tell them okay, or just to see the boss there, they will get lazy. It's the same principle. So that's why some of my meetings are like really boring, because they are discussing whatever. I don't even care what they are discussing, but then my name has to appear there.
They need a leader figure in there.
Yeah, something like that. And if they do not agree on something, then they call me out, let's say so, and hey Sebastian, we need your decision. And then I'm re-asking actually, but this is a way of communicating. So because it seems so that I'm present there, but I'm not. But when I hear my name, I will just say that, oh, I'm sorry, can you repeat, because your connection was broken a little bit. But actually I wasn't paying attention, so I just make the guy repeating, but not because I wasn't paying attention. It was actually because I did some so in order to try to enforce that yes, I was paying attention officially, but just repeat it because the connection broke a little bit, like 2 seconds, and I did not hear the entire sentence. And then they are repeating the question, and then I'm starting to decide. So this is one way of communicating, let's say so.
Sounds like fun.
Ish. It's okay. I still like it, so. But it will come a turning point at one point that I have to decide. And most probably I will decide for trading, because even now with my career for the last 2 years, I did not do anything to get more responsibilities. So last year, for example, I declined something else. So something else like moving a little bit more up, and I said no, because I'm comfortable where I am, and that's it. But this is usually the first signs that I'm in my comfort zone, I can handle it, no problem, but at one point I will just resign. Most probably.
You still reckon a few more years, huh?
Yeah, I think so, because around age of 40, so I'm 37, so in about 3 years. And if, for example, let's presume that COVID will disappear, but if my company will enforce that, okay, now you have to go to office, I immediately resign. So I will never go back to the office. So I want this freedom to work from wherever I can. Why do you think that I'm spending 3-4 months outside of the country? I'm working from there, but I just need internet connection, that's it. So that's why
So Schumer here, the Democratic leader, says a few final issues must be hammered out, but they are close to a deal. Saying that we are very close to an agreement, but the details matter.
I'm not the only one who is doing this. So most upper management. So in our company, it's allowed. Even now with COVID, even more. Yeah. So it's just like really the people who has to go to the factories and to the data center. They have to be physically there, and the team leaders. But everybody else who doesn't have to be on site, stay at home or whatever. The problem is the insurances. Yeah. So for example, legally, I should not leave the country. But who the fuck cares?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask you. Like, do they know you're leaving the country?
Yeah, of course, some colleagues are knowing, yeah, but we don't advertise it internally, of course. That's why, for example, I don't even have a Facebook. Yeah, so it's that simple. I'm keeping low profile.
Facebook is dead anyway.
No, it's just it's but in case of something happens, for example, if I get hurt in, I don't know, Zanzibar, because usually we go there, then the problem is the insurance, because legally I'm insured even during my wartime, at my home office. I'm insured by the company, so the company will pay everything, not the other insurance. So yeah, but there are ways around, so it's fine. Oh, I'm sorry, my parents are calling. Yeah, be right back.
Let's see in here the New York Fed WEI December 17th first revision coming in at negative 2.7.
Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Aussie yen.
Let's make everyone aware, some Brexit commentary here from the Dover Port CEO. Given the scrutiny that the port is under, Port of Dover, the CEO, says the Port of Dover is as best prepared as it can be for the end of the transition period. And the UK here reporting 35,383 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday. Just some colour on that UK number, as that is quite a big jump, but the UK saying Thursday's case figures include a backlog of around 11,000 cases that were not initially reported due to technical delays in Wales. So that's why the increase there is quite big, 35,383 in the UK, as there was a backlog due to technical delays in Wales.
That makes sense. Bloody Wales.
So UK's Minister Gove there says he wants to have a bill before Parliament agreed in both houses, the Houses of Commons and the House of Lords, before January the 1st.
Aussie yen. Aussie yen. DAX.
Japanese media reporting here that Pfizer is to apply for Japan COVID-19 vaccine approval on Friday.
$CAD.
Some comments here from Pfizer saying they're not having any production issues with their COVID-19 vaccine, and the COVID-19 vaccine production and distribution is working well.
$CAD.
Pfizer here saying they remain confident to deliver up to 1.3 billion doses next year.
Dollar CAD.
Back.
Welcome back.
So, what did I miss?
Nothing. Everything's grinding slowly.
Okay. I see that Gonzalo is kissing euro dollar. Okay.
You're holding those S&P shorts?
No, I was long, but I closed it already on point 11. Sorry.
Oh, okay, okay.
I did not went.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant, the longs. I just didn't hear you close it.
When you closed it at 11 point, you closed it at the point, what was it, 11 or something, or no, 15, no, something like that.
Yeah, when I closed my Nasdaq, right?
Yeah, exactly. And I was I closed it at point 12, the S&P long.
Oh, okay, okay. I just didn't register. I was just fucking.
What nice moves on S&P. after. And DAX back at the VWAP. Alright.
Yeah, I'm probably not touching anything.
Yeah, neither me, so currently not. I'm sipping
I
my...
wonder if
I'm
swing.
sipping...
You're what?
Sorry. No, go on, please.
Swing has some longs on the Nasdaq on DAX, but I don't know what.
Yeah, if you want to trade the VWAP right now, maybe, but I'm not sure. Now I'm currently personally lost on DAX. I think it's indecisive and it can go anywhere from here. So, but scalping, yes, from VWAP, there you go. Like really scalping, like swing did earlier. But me not. I think I'm kind of ish done for today.
I mean, he's making fucking money on the synthetics.
Yes, synthetics. Swing, are you break even already or not? Is he still here or? Yeah.
He's trading, but I don't know if he can hear us.
Well, at least he told us that he will let us know when he's break even. Because he said that he will test the withdrawal, which I'm waiting, to be honest. I want to see that it's really working properly. Using swing as a guinea pig a little bit.
Yeah, if this works out for swing, I think I'll just probably start doing that range and break stuff.
Yeah, me too. But I still need to convince somebody from a different country. But okay. It will be manageable. It is manageable.
Yeah, I'm done, guys. Have a nice evening.
Right, Shark?
You too, Shark.
Bye-bye.
See you, Shark. Yeah, see, DAX just blew through VWAP now, so I will not touch it.
DAX.
Octo, I just sent you an example what I have to deal, and this was a meeting earlier today. Just you to understand.
Okay, just taking a look.
So this kind of level.
Yeah. Good luck with that.
So basically the teams are coming to me and they are presenting this kind of course I didn't, because there are on the right side there are some names and I just cut it out, but you see the key topics to be addressed, strategic and whatever and all that shit.
I don't know how you do it. People are just unreasonable. I guess they'll kind of bow to you in your role, but dealing with people, jeez.
Yeah, but wait 1 second. It's also on the other side. I have to bow to somebody else. I have also people on the other side above me. So I'm doing the same. Again, corporation.
Yeah, I got to see a lot of different environments and a lot of people stepping on other people to get to the top of an imaginary ladder. And
oh yes. So the politics. So for example, the politics which you imagine, even Billions, the TV show, but more like what was it? House of Cards. So House of Cards and Billions, they are really also describing quite well how really politics are working within a corporation. So I'm not talking about real politics, but the politics in the corporation. So people are stabbing each other on the back and who is supporting whom, and so yes, it doesn't exist, trust me. So whomever is part of a corporation knows that.
Yeah, it's exactly the behavior that I saw in so many different places, and I just craved honest people that could talk straight without bullshit.
Yeah, so on a technical level, so let's say that the people who are actually the technicians, yeah, and actually they are the people who are making the money for the corporation because they make the product, yeah. But they don't see this usually because that's one of the major purpose of the management in order to hide that world from them. They should not be affected about all this backstabbing, all this whatever shit, which is happening on a management level. But on a management level and higher you go, the bigger it is the politic plays. Yeah, but this is not allowed, and this is a culture of a company, it's not allowed to transpire towards the technical people. So they have to do their job from A to B, from B to C, whatever. Yeah? But management, it's not allowed to backstab the technicians or something like that. The technicians are the core of the company. It's like in trading, the traders are the core. Yeah? So whomever actually the analytics, so if you divide whomever does the analysis and then the executions. So the guys who are executing an analytics, you have to protect them. On the overall team lead and management level, you just need to push them to analyze and to trade. But you are not allowed on a team lead or group lead in order to transpire information to that you are playing whatever political games internally because you want to take over whatever other department.
Yeah, I understand. It's for me, I was probably one of the technicians, and the team leaders were just pushing to get the numbers, the turnover, and push the kind of technicians as well as protect them. But yeah, I get it.
Okay. And now I see they even made a misspelling. Okay. Ah, damn it. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, spelled environment wrong. Nice.
Yeah, but usually these presentations are done by the PAs. So, yeah, which is okay. Doesn't matter. The message counts. Oh, and Nasdaq had some weird moves. But who's bearish? But Doctor, you said that you are using already Mind Manager. So are you really using it also for private or just for business currently? I'm sorry, I did not get that from the beginning.
I've got my manager on the other machine, but I use FreeMind mostly at the moment.
Okay.
But personal
But-
projects, anything I learn, any subject I study, I mind map.
Okay, but also in private life, this is what I mean.
Always
So
in
not only
private
business
life.
related. Okay.
DAX.
Yes, start from the idea of or vision of control and just try to drill it down. I shouldn't give you the lower levels, but try to drill it down from control and try to make it from there. It will give you some insights, maybe.
I can show you an example if you want to see the way that I work with it. I don't really use images the way I should to be able to memorize the subject. I just use text and screenshots, but
Yeah.
if you're interested.
Yeah, sure. Send it over. Maybe it will give me some more insights. Like make a print screen or something. Don't overcomplicate it. Because in the end, it's your mind mapping, so it doesn't mean that I will understand it. You have to understand it.
Give me a few minutes to find a good one.
Yeah, you don't have to be a good one, huh? Whatever, whichever you feel comfortable. Yeah, it seems so that Swing is working on his synthetics.
Yeah, he just doesn't want to talk to it.
No, he doesn't. So Alex, have you bought a Cyberpunk or not?
No, I'm probably not gonna get it.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Actually, after you told me, and then I made or I tried to look on more on YouTube on gameplays. Fuck no, it doesn't look good to be honest.
I think Druid has it, and he said that nah. Plus, he said the game's been in development forever, and like, I don't know, and he's like, if it wasn't, imagine if it would have came out earlier before we even had like the next gen consoles and like RTXs, it would have been even shittier.
Yeah. Okay. There are quite a lot of negative reviews, to be honest. Well, I will stay with my Assassin's Creed and Call of Duty. Yes, and I'm still playing games, by the way. See what lockdown makes out of me. Yeah, sure, my wife complains, but that's another problem.
I'm like in a little separate office, so she can't even see what I'm doing.
Yeah, me too, but this doesn't mean that she cannot enter. If I close the door with the key, she will.
She sees me on the controller, so it's pretty obvious.
Last time she was like, yeah, nice that you are playing your shooting game instead of coming with me and having a glass of wine and talking to me. And I was okay.
Yeah, that happened to me on the NASDAQ thing because I was just playing because not on the NASDAQ, the S&P yesterday, because that thing wouldn't move. And I'm like, what am I? Just gotta sit here and wait. And to her, it's just playing games for like 4 hours. I mean, which it is what I was doing, but I was also like reading other stuff, digesting other information.
In my small office room, I do have also a TV basically, which is connected to my Xbox, and then I just turn around the chair and just play my Xbox a little bit. But then I'm in the meeting in the same time, but with one eye I'm watching also one of the screens where I have whatever open position. And my wife came in and, what the fuck are you doing? Are you now either in a meeting, either playing or trading? And I'm doing all three together. What's the problem? Yeah, you stupid fuck, you should come and talk to me. All right. But hey. And I'm still not allowed to put a screen in my kitchen, by the way.
Oh, come on.
Nope. It's fucking up the feng shui of the kitchen. Don't ask me. Well.
I'm sure you can get screens that fold down from underneath the cupboard. That kind of. She might warm to that idea.
Yeah, ish. But our kitchen, how it's called, all the stuff in the kitchen. Yeah, no, not really. Or it's not. Nah, kind of not made like that. But I can make something custom, sure. But the idea was, like Swing said, that the screen within in the table itself. That was actually a really good idea. It's a really, and this is what I'm trying to sell now to my wife. To have a table and a screen inside, and the table to be like a mat. It's like looks like a screen, and you can use it as a table, and you just push a button and turns it out. Like 1/3 of the table is just the inside screen, but that has to be custom made. So now I'm fiddling with that idea to sell it.
Have you considered a Pico projector or a very small projector that can use
Yeah.
a big screen on the wall?
Yes, I do, and actually I do have an HD projector. It's a small one, which I can connect even to my laptop without any problem. The point is that my kitchen is very bright because it's a kitchen together with the living room, and it's like really bright. And even if I turn on the contrast up, doesn't. It's like disturbing the image. I don't like it. The next idea, what Collected actually suggested, these are kind of smart TVs, but it's like from Samsung, and it's like a frame TV, so it looks like as a picture, right? Like as a so like on the wall, like a frame, like a normal frame, right? Painting or something. But it's actually a microfilm TV. With a 4K resolution. The problem is that actually it's not really a problem, but to be honest, I don't want to put in like 5K in that freaking shit. Only just to have a TV, so that's too much. I'm cheap, so I will not invest that much money.
I picked up a 50-inch 4K TV Hisense one for £250, and that's really good.
Yeah. So what Collected said, yeah, you're right. I have to search more. Basically, I was just a little bit lazy. But because to have a painting on the wall, this I convinced her. So she said, yes, you can have, no problem. And I said, yeah, cool, whatever. So there you go. Because we have a kind of wall-ish, which is kind of empty. So I can put a painting / a screen TV there in theory, but it has to look like a painting, not like a normal TV. Like, that's the difference.
Yeah, that's going to be tough.
Yeah, but they are from Samsung. They are. So really, it's called Art TV. So if you just Google Samsung Art TV, you will find them immediately. And they look really cool, but also the prices are, yeah.
Yeah, those Hisense are pretty good. I picked up like 2 of them too from my office. The 4K ones.
Cool.
And did you see Swing's volatility 75 index?
On what? On he's streaming.
On his YouTube.
Yeah, I've got a 50-inch screen beside me with it on, and I'm looking at all the orders he's got lined up.
Holy shit, what he's doing. Ah, that's why he's concentrated. Holy shit, he's selling. Yeah, but he's kind of break-even-ish.
Sorry, I was trying to fix the sound. Still doesn't work. This trade is fine. This is massively in profit.
Okay.
Like 4% already or something. Let's just check. Yeah, 4.5%.
Alright. And it's dropping.
Yeah, but I'm gonna call it a day. The DAX is pissing me off. I'm still in the DAX position.
How are you?
I'm just gonna set a trading stop and go to bed.
Are you on break even now on synthetics?
Oh no, I'm massively in profit. Like 4.5%.
No, I mean break even from the zero start from the.
Oh yeah, yesterday already.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna ban you.
What?
Just check real quick. History. Everything. Yeah, $100 in profit.
Alright.
Dang, that's a comeback.
And I have $400 open P&L. You're good to go.
So like your first withdrawal is gonna be like when you like double the account almost, or?
Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna flip the account and then make a withdrawal. Withdraw everything.
Yeah, this is what I wait in order to see how the withdrawal goes. But will you do it via Bitcoin or via wire?
Oh, maybe half via Bitcoin and half via wire.
Yeah, okay, so we are at least a little bit via wire because I would like to see from where it comes.
Yeah, I want to find out how fast it is too.
Yeah, for me it doesn't really matter if it is 4 or 5 business days, but it's just from where. Because based on that depends in Cyprus or Switzerland or whatever. Yeah, I was thinking to open actually via the company, one of the company names, my companies. So that's why I'm interested from where it comes. Do not involve my brother. Because he's a pussy. Yeah, DAX like went nowhere. Alright. But now I would go kind of ish long on S&P again. Nah, I'm done. But seeing the sound was working if you're talking about Morbo at one point.
Yeah, but only for Discord, not in via the transfer. And that's a problem.
Okay, understood.
Oh, the DEX is so freaking boring. Yeah, seriously, I'm gonna just sit at trading stop and go to bed. It's 1 AM already. What's my Tesla buy doing? Ah, 398%. It's not gonna hit the 400, huh? This is gonna take some time to play out. Oh, come on, Tesla. You can do it. Color options. Mask line. Darker.
You close your Tesla?
Not yet. When it's hit the trend line 658. Maybe I just set the take profit there. Yeah, that's probably a better idea. Short position. It's 65758. I'm gonna take profit on all of them. Stop sinker. Paste. Apply. Alright.
Brexit news here, seeing the UK's Boris Johnson and EU's von der Leyen are to discuss Brexit at 8 p.m. It says UK PM Johnson and EU's von der Leyen to hold a call Thursday night.
I'm calling it a day. I'm bored as fuck. I just set the DAX
Just some colour on that time that EU von der Leyen and Boris Johnson are to speak. That's 7 p.m. London time, 8 p.m. European time, and 2 p.m. Eastern time. So just under an hour.
Just gonna set a trailing stop on the DAX below the VWAP. Just close everything here. Alright, all closed. Just set to 1 minute here.
What SS the setup you using on volatility index?
Just support and resistance. Still show 96% loss. Today. Alright, gonna call it a day. It's 1 AM already. I have to trade Asia session tomorrow. So have a good one, everyone.